Good morning, students. So, let's start our day with a beautiful poem, Noses. You know what is a nose? Have you seen in a mirror or your nose? Yes, we are talking about the part of a body of us that is called as nose. But here is a very interesting and funny poem written by Ellen Fisher. The child in the poem is talking about her nose. Actually, she don't like her nose. So let's recite out the poem first and then we will go with the explanation. So we are here with the poem Noses. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing the way it grows. Stuck right out where all of it shows with two little holes where the breathing goes. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then, no doubt, you will see how funny your nose sticks out. Do you find it funny? Okay, let's start. The child in the poem is talking about her nose. She actually don't like her own nose, but she knows the value of nose. So she is talking that let's look out in the mirror. We have a nose. She is asking you all that I find nose as the most funniest thing because it grows in a way as if with two holes and a straight handle. But she knows the importance of the nose because nose is very important for breathing, isn't it? And breathing is life for us. So she is again asking you to see in the mirror and she is saying, can you see the place between your chin and the hair? Yes, there is many space, a lot of space is there, but the most special place she finds is the nose, like a handle sticking out there, as if somebody has put it a handle and stick it over the face. She is also asking you whenever you want to giggle and shout. Giggle means you want to make a noise or you want to shout. You should think of what it about. Just go to the mirror and you will find your funny nose and you can stick it out over there. Okay, so the child wants to tell you that I don't like my nose. Do you like your nose or not? The nose is like a very funny thing in our body. It has holes, it has a breathing way, and it is like a handle in our face. So I find it very funny. Did you find it funny? Okay, so this is all about the poem. You have to write the first two paragraphs in your notebook with writer's name Ellen Fisher. Also, because this paragraph can't end on the 8th line or the 10th line, so you have to write the two paragraphs in your notebook, okay, in a beautiful handwriting, and try to understand the meaning too. Thank you. Have a great day.